old one. You want to Dan off.
Yeah, it's
Is that a digital?
yeah, that's all digital HD.
Mine's still on tape. It's digital tape.
Digital tape works pretty well though. Actually, you can get 50. I remember there was a data storage backup system that put 50 gigabytes on a VHS tape.
I get an hour's worth. But
Everyone wave. Say hi. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. You want love? Okay.
Oh, let's see what's going on with Veronica. Oh.
Take this to your mom. Hey, here, Mom. Where is she? I'm over here. Oh. Oh, who's sad? Okay, here's your one. Not here. I mean, how sweet. What's wrong?
What's wrong?
Feel it that much.
Veronica,
There's Dad.
do you want to look? Say hi.
Say hello.
Can you say hi?
Say hello again.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
What?
Can you say hi? Can you say hi to Nona?
So you're so
Say hi to Nono.
Hello. Say hello. Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas, Grandma, Grandpa.
They miss you. Say you miss your grandma. Yeah, Brandon.
Yeah.
What are they doing?
Look, it's the video camera.
Okay.
Okay, we'll get back. Say hello. Yeah, it's the video camera. You can't have the video camera. You can do cute things for it, though.
Okay, sweetheart. I know. Okay, just stand back. I don't want to get this near you.
Veronica. Oh, you can't.
Right.
Grandma can't hold you yet. She's got hot stuff.
Yeah. Now I have to put the asparagus. Just a second.
Uh-oh. Someone doesn't want you to get into that microwave. She says you're supposed to be giving me attention.
Okay, 4 minutes. Clear. Wait. Clear. 4. Oh. Start. Here. One. Okay. Yeah. Right there. Now we get the butter. Let's look for the souffle.
Hello, Merry Christmas.
there's a picture of Carlo taking videos.
And the onion soup will make me have gas. You hold her a minute. I wanted to crack open the bean.
Crack open the beans.
Trust me.
Oh, someone's got a grandpa.
What? Cracking it.
Crack my beans.
Yeah.
You crack beans and I don't care.